Want to make extra money in 2025 without getting scammed or wasting time? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the 5 best side hustles for 2025. Real, proven ways to earn extra cash that actually pay well. Whether you're looking for flexible freelance gigs, easy resale opportunities, or passive income from digital products, there's something here for everyone. Plus, we'll share links to the top platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, and Redbubble, so you can start today. If you're ready to take control of your income this year, hit like and let's jump right in. 1. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Freelancing remains one of the fastest and most flexible ways to earn online. And in 2025, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are booming. You don't need to be a professional designer or coder. Can you write, edit videos, manage social media, or even do voiceovers? There's a gig for that. And here's the best part. You can start with zero investment. Just set up your profile, upload a sample, and start applying. AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and CapCut are making it easier than ever to deliver quality work quickly. New freelancers are earning anywhere from $200 to $2,000+ per month, depending on their hustle. Pro tip: focus on a niche and build reviews fast. Check the link in the description to sign up with Fiverr or Upwork and start offering your services today. This is one hustle that can turn part-time effort into full-time income over time. 2. Reselling and flipping on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Reselling is hotter than ever, and in 2025, it's easier to get started thanks to mobile-first platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Facebook Marketplace. Look around your house. Got clothes, gadgets, or collectibles you're not using? That's instant inventory. People are flipping thrift store finds, garage sale items, and even clearance rack products for huge markups. Use apps like Profit Bandit or eBay Scanner to check prices instantly. The best part? No technical skills needed. Just snap clean photos, write an honest description, and ship the item when it sells. Some resellers are turning this into a $1,000 per month side income with just 10 to 15 hours of effort. If you enjoy hunting for deals and flipping items, this side hustle is low risk and high reward. Link in the description to get started on eBay today. 3. Selling digital products on Etsy. Want to make money while you sleep? Selling digital products on Etsy is one of the most passive side hustles out there in 2025. You create it once, and it sells over and over again. Think digital planners, resume templates, social media bundles, printables, or even Canva designs. No inventory, no shipping. Just upload your file and you're good to go. Tools like Canva, Creative Market, and AI generators make designing super simple, even for beginners. You can start a store for free, and Etsy brings you traffic if you use the right keywords. Some sellers earn $500 to $3,000 per month, depending on their niche. Bonus tip: bundle your products or create seasonal themes to boost sales. Want to start your own shop? Check the description for the Etsy seller sign-up link and free guides to digital product ideas. Passive income starts here. 4. Print on demand with Redbubble or Teespring. If you've ever wanted to run your own brand without handling inventory, print on demand is your answer. In 2025, sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Spreadshirt let you upload your art or slogans and sell them on t-shirts, mugs, stickers, phone cases. You name it. They handle printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect the profits. Even if you're not a designer, you can use Canva or AI art tools to create trendy designs. Focus on niche topics: funny cat quotes, fitness, sarcasm, astrology, whatever you like. Promote your store on Pinterest, Instagram, or even TikTok. Sellers are making $200 to $2,000+ per month, depending on traffic and creativity. Want to try it out? Check the links in the description to open your free Redbubble or Teespring store today. 5. Affiliate marketing with content creation. Affiliate marketing is booming in 2025. And no, you don't need a blog or big YouTube channel to get started. Platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and Pinterest let you share quick tips, reviews, or tutorials and link to products with your unique affiliate code. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Think tools you already use, like Fiverr, Canva, or Amazon Gadgets. You can also create simple review videos or listicle posts with a call to action. The key is building trust and targeting a niche: fitness, tech, home hacks, whatever you enjoy. Some content creators are making $500 to $5,000 per month just from affiliate traffic. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Impact.com to get started. And if you're already freelancing or creating digital products, start promoting the platforms you use and love. Affiliate income is the side hustle that keeps paying, even when you stop working. That wraps up the 5 best side hustles for 2025. Each one beginner-friendly, flexible, and proven to actually pay. Whether you start freelancing, flip items online, or sell digital products, the key is to take action and stay consistent. Remember, even just a few hours a week can grow into something life-changing over time. Check the description for all the platforms we mentioned: Fiverr, Etsy, Redbubble, and more. Plus, free guides to help you get started. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the hustle you're excited to try. Your journey starts now.